Hello, friends. Well, I'm actually a bit disappointed at the moment. Well, you didn't guess it right. आपने सही नहीं समझा. The reason why I'm disappointed is there are 88% chances of rain in the second semi-final that will be between India and England on the 27th of June. For the ones who are saying that this is partiality and this is biasness favoring India, let me tell you, even if India would have been at the second position in the group, even then India would have got the semi-final in Guyana itself. So in that scenario, India would have been the one who would have got knocked out. India was supposed to play in Guyana. India was supposed to play the second semi-final regardless of whichever spot they get, be it first or second. Yes, it was the excellent performance by India, the excellent performance by the Indian team that helped them, to top the table and play the second semi-final as the table topper. But still, I mean, a rain washout and moving to the finals in this manner, that is, I mean, definitely the Indian supporters might be happy, but the real cricket fans and the real Indian cricket fans even would not, want this to happen. They would want to defeat England instead of, proceeding or marching towards the final due to a rain affected match, a rain abandoned match. तो ये तो आप समझ गए कि देखिए ये पार्शियलिटी कोई प्लान्ड पार्शियलिटी नहीं है ये आप कह सकते हैं कि रेन एक तरह से मदद करेगी इंडिया को पहुंचने के लिए. यहाँ पे पार्शियलिटी या बायसनेस का इल्ज़ाम लगाना बेबुनियाद होगा, क्योंकि इंडिया अगर सेकंड भी होती तो भी इंडिया को सेकंड सेमीफाइनल मिलता, और इंडिया अगर टेबल में अपने ग्रुप में सेकंड होती और इंडिया को सेकंड सेमीफाइनल मिलता और तब अगर रेन वॉश आउट होता तो इंडिया बाहर होती. देखिए तो खैर, और ये एक लाइक एक नज़रिया दूसरा ये भी हो सकता है कि this way India will march into the finals, and this just shows how the luck or the numbers are favoring India. I've already explained how the numbers are favoring India in the prediction I made for the India versus England match. I did make around 3 different videos, if you remember. There was the first video wherein I think I gave it the title "Great News for Indian Cricket Fans." In that video, I mentioned that the final is being played on a Saturday. The 1983 final was played on a Saturday. The 2011 final was played on a Saturday. Final on a Sunday has been unlucky for India, but this time, because the final is being played on a Saturday, that will be, a lucky factor for India. सैटरडे को खेला जाने वाला फाइनल भारत के लिए लकी साबित रहा है, और इस बार भी उम्मीद यही है कि लकी साबित रहेगा. और एक वीडियो मैंने बनाया था जिसमें मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था कि जो रोहित शर्मा के जो नंबर्स हैं, देखिए रोहित शर्मा का जो बर्थ नंबर है वो है 3, बट उनका जो डेस्टिनी नंबर है 5 और सनसाइन नंबर 6, ये बहुत फेवरेबल है 2024 के लिए, क्योंकि 2024 एडअप होता है 8 पे. 2024 एड्स अप टू 8, and the combination of 5 and 6 with 8 is considered to be fantastic. तो उनका जो डेस्टिनी नंबर है 5 और जो सनसाइन नंबर है 8 वो बहुत फेवरेबल है 2024 में उनके लिए. So that is another factor. So as of now there are 3 inevitable factors that are favoring India. The final on a Saturday, Rohit Sharma's destiny number, Rohit Sharma's sunshine number. The fourth factor is the absence, like I explained this in the video. The fourth factor is the absence of KL Rahul from the team, and I explained how that actually helps. I mean, I'm not raising questions on his cricketing abilities. He has performed brilliantly for the nation, but his marriage with a number five born girl, that is something that is creating hindrances for him in the advancements in his career. That is something that might prevent him from winning something huge. You know, he was a part of the 50 over World Cup, and India unfortunately lost that final. बट अभी क्योंकि केएल राहुल नहीं है, तो जो बैड लक उनके साथ एसोसिएटेड था वो बैड लक इंडिया को इम्पैक्ट नहीं करेगा. तो ये हो गया चौथा फैक्टर. पांचवा फैक्टर है एब्सेंस ऑफ मोहम्मद शामी. ये भी मैंने एक वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन किया था. देखिए बात क्या है कि हमें किसी के पर्सनल लाइफ पे कमेंट नहीं करनी. लाइक वी शुड नॉट बी कमेंटिंग ऑन एनीवन्स पर्सनल लाइफ, neither should we be judging anyone, nor do we have the right to do so. But the thing is, when you have a person who's cursing you so terribly from the core of her heart, like I'm not saying Shami is wrong or the person who's cursing him is wrong, but when a person is genuinely core heartedly cursing you, a person is praying for your debacles, for your miseries, well, they do play an important part. They do impact you in some way or the other. For Mohammad Shami, his ex-wife, I think her name is Haseen Jahan. She has, like, even in a video she admitted that she would like to wish all the best to the Indian team, but not to Mohammad Shami. That is the kind of hatred that she has against him. And I'm not saying that Mohammad Shami is wrong or Haseen Jahan is wrong, but the hatred that she has is kind of core-hearted. So that definitely impacts. So that was the fifth factor. The sixth factor, which I again explained in the video, that was the dethroning of BJP government from the center. Now please understand before just hearing this and writing anything in the comment section. The government that we have at the center currently is not the BJP government, that is the NDA government. BJP didn't get a clear majority. They want 240 seats. So it was the coalition government, it was the NDA coalition, it was the NDA alliance that won the elections. So the government at the center is not the BJP government, it is the NDA government. In 2014, BJP got the clear majority by securing 283 seats. Again in 2019, BJP got another clear majority, और इस बार तो 303 सीट्स जीत गए थे वो. लेकिन इस बार उन्हें क्लियर मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिली है, तो अभी बीजेपी सेंटर में नहीं है, एनडीए की सरकार है सेंटर में. और बीजेपी के कुछ ऐसे न्यूमरोलॉजिकल पैरामीटर्स हैं जो कि थोड़े अनलकी हैं. हालांकि बीजेपी ने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया देश के लिए. हमारे आदरणीय जो प्रधानमंत्री हैं और ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हैज़ ऑल्सो डन अ फैबुलस जॉब फॉर द नेशन. But there are certain numerological factors, certain numerological parameters that BJP bears that are not favorable for the nation. And you cannot call it a mere coincidence that whenever the BJP has been at the center, India has never won any ICC trophy. And for the Indians, the greatest sporting joy is an ICC trophy in men's cricket. I explained all this in the video. So these are the 6 very crucial factors. I mean, and 6 crucial factors is not a mere joke. I mean, that's not something minor. That's, I mean, a huge driver. That's a huge catalyst that might help India in winning. The final on a Saturday, Rohit Sharma's destiny number, Rohit Sharma's sun sign number, absence of KL Rahul, absence of Mohammad Shami, and last but not the least, NDA alliance forming the government at the center instead of BJP. So already I mentioned how the numbers are favoring India on the day of the semi-final, and if it's a washout that night, that would also be that actually should also be considered the favor of numbers for India. And based on the latest news, there are 88% chances of rain, and this is a good news for Indian supporters. But if you're an Indian cricket fan, you would not like to proceed to the finals in this manner. Rather, you would like to defeat England. And some for some overexcited cricket fans, you would like to avenge the defeat in the previous World Cup. आप पिछले वर्ल्ड कप का बदला भी लेना चाहोगे, बजाय कि बारिश से बाधित मैच के कारण आप फाइनल में पहुंचो. But still, if it gets washed out, that would be advantage India, and that would be the luck or the numbers, the astrological or the numerological, advantage for India. So, I have mentioned the 6 very crucial factors that are favoring India. Let me, summarize it quickly. The first one is the final on a Saturday, जो शनिवार को फाइनल खेला जा रहा है. दूसरे नंबर पे आता है रोहित शर्मा का डेस्टिनी नंबर जो कि है 5. तीसरे नंबर पे रोहित शर्मा का सनसाइन नंबर जो कि है 6. चौथे नंबर पे KL राहुल का ना होना. पाँचवें नंबर पे मोहम्मद शामी का ना होना. और छठे नंबर पे सेंटर में NDA की सरकार होना बजाय BJP की सरकार के होने के. तो ये था एक विश्लेषण. दिस वॉज एन ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड एनालिसिस. So we'll continue with the our regular videos, and also videos on other interesting topics, genres or fields. You can feel free to drop your comments. आप अपने comments, सवाल, अपनी प्रतिक्रियाएं आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं. और ऐसे ही आप अपना प्यार और सपोर्ट बरसाते रहिए हमारे चैनल के लिए. Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.